What's up everybody? Today I'll be doing a bacon, cheddar, and chive scone, and it is super easy. All you need is a few ingredients, a few tools, and you'll have delicious results. First up, I have ice cold butter, and this is very important because I'll be using my box grater to grate my butter and also my cheese. I have cornmeal, flour, salt, sugar, baking powder and baking soda, ice cold buttermilk, eggs, chives, and of course bacon. I also have a little extra flour for when I'll be rolling my scones out. For my tools, I have a box grater, a large bowl, a rolling pin, a knife, a baking sheet lined with silicone or parchment, and that's basically all that you'll be needing, so let's get started. So first up, I'll start by adding all my dry ingredients together. So I have my cornmeal, I have flour, I have my baking powder, sugar, salt, and baking soda. I'll add that in there as well. And now I'll just mix this around. And now I'll take my cheese and use my box grater. I'll use the finest setting and I'll just grate this. Get all my cheese out of there. And what I'll do next is I'll mix this around. Now I'll add my chives to this. Next up, I'll take my butter. And my butter is cold, and this is very important. So you can grate it on your box grater. What I'll do is I'll use the fine setting again, and I'll start grating my butter. And now I'll mix this in. You don't want any lumps. You want everything to be mixed in nicely. And now I'll grate the remaining butter. I'll work pretty fast with this. So to that, I'll add my buttermilk. And now you'll mix this in as well. Now you'll take your eggs, add that in. And now you'll just mix this all together. So before I'm finished, I'll add my bacon. And again, I'll just mix that in. Now it's come together nicely. So now I'll take some flour and dust it on my surface. Just dust that around. Take a little flour on top. And this is very simple. You're just gonna press this down until it's become flat. And you're looking for about 1 inch thickness. And then you'll fold this over. You'll do this one more time before you start cutting them out. So what I'll do now is I'll create a rectangle. And you'll use your rolling pin to help create a nice even shape. And now the final dimension should be 8 by 16. And now what you'll do is you'll take your knife, you'll go down the middle. Then you'll cut this into thirds. And now with the 6 squares that you'll take your knife and make a bias cut. So you'll have a triangle. And that's it. Now you have 12 beautiful scones. And now you'll line these up on your pan. Now you'll place this in the refrigerator for 30 minutes so it sets before you bake it. Now I have my scones chilled. What I'll do next, and this is optional, I'll add some buttermilk to the top of it. And I'll just brush lightly on top. And also I'm just doing half of my scones. The other half I'm gonna freeze and bake later. Now I'm all set for the oven. My oven is set at 400 degrees and I'll bake this for 12 to 15 minutes. So here are your delicious scones straight out of the oven. Beautiful. So here it is, your beautiful bacon, cheddar, and chive scone. It is super delicious, super flavorful, and I promise you, you will love this recipe. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, drop some comments below, and also please subscribe. Thank you. Now I'll try one of these scones. Beautiful. It is simply amazing.